What are dashcams for? I'll give you 3 words: safety, protection, security. Let's imagine you're in a car accident that wasn't your fault, but you have to stand by your word against the other driver. The dashcam records everything that transpired. If you know who was at blame, it will greatly help you justify your position. That documentation may be sufficient to avoid paying for the damage. What if a passenger is being rude either verbally or physically? A dashcam will record everything that happened and function as an accurate and reliable witness for the police. Having a dashcam that a passenger is aware of might sometimes be enough to prevent them from doing something they later regret. And so, if you are an Uber driver or a Rideshare or Lyft driver and looking for a dashcam to put on your ride for security and protection, then you are in the right place because we have selected the best dashcam options in no particular order, by the way, that will definitely suit your needs. Now, if you're looking for the ultimate rideshare dashcam, here is the Blackview DR900X 2CH IR Plus. Starting at $499.99 US, Blackview has raised the bar for what it means to be a real 4K UHD smart dashcam with its latest dashcam release. With 4K Ultra HD front recording and its 8-megapixel CMOS sensors, you can capture the road ahead in 4K Ultra High Definition at 30 FPS. That's 4 times more clarity and details than Full HD. Even when playback on a Full HD monitor, 4K UHD allows you to zoom in without any noticeable pixelation. Powered by a Full HD Sony Starvis image sensor, the IR camera records in-cabin activities in Full HD at 30 frames per second at a wide 139-degree view angle. Designed with Uber and rideshare drivers in mind, the DR900X 2CH IR Plus's interior IR camera truly sees in the dark, even pitch black lighting conditions, thanks to its integrated infrared LEDs that activate automatically based on the ambient light. In low light situations, the improved picture sensor can maintain more information. Day or night, your films are clearer and better exposed, keeping essential details. The IR camera connects to the front camera via a 1.5-meter coaxial cable, long enough so that you're not limited to just the front windshield placement option. At the end of the day, your dashcam safeguards your car with sophisticated parking mode technology, capturing footage when it senses movement or collision, even when you're not present. Buffered recording also covers the few seconds before and after the triggered event, ensuring that you receive the whole image. Next on the list is known to be the best Uber dashcam with a 360-degree coverage. This is the Garmin Dashcam Tandem. The Garmin Dashcam Tandem isn't cheap, that's a fact, but it's well worth it. This pocket-sized dash camera has 2 180-degree fields of view lenses that record simultaneously, giving the driver comprehensive video coverage. The front camera records in 1440p, while the 720p interior-facing lens uses Garmin's Night Glow technology to provide clear footage of passengers at night. The Garmin Dashcam Tandem serves a specific use case and won't appeal to everyone. But for those who want a dashcam that records their interior and passengers, as well as the road ahead, this is the one for you. Both lenses are wide and the forward-facing camera records above Full HD with HDR. It has the same compact design and simple mounts as other Garmin's, along with the same impressive voice control, built-in GPS, and Wi-Fi connectivity are all included, letting you to share footage from your phone via the free app. Another excellent feature is the charger's additional USB connector, which allows you to charge your phone or another device while driving. And the cherry on top, it comes with a pre-installed micro SD card, allowing you to use it straight away from the box. Awesome, right? And next, it's finally here, the dashcam that many Uber and rideshare drivers have been asking for, a 2-in-1 dashcam with a rear camera as well. This is the Vanchu N4 dashcam. Vanchu has unveiled its 3-channel dashcam which combines a front-facing road camera, an interior-facing cabin camera, and a rear-facing road camera into one gadget that records footage on a single memory card. All 3 cameras can record full HD video simultaneously, with the front camera recording at 1140p and the interior and back cameras recording at 1080p. The Sony Starvis image sensors used in the N4 dashcam are noted for their sharp daytime footage and outstanding night vision video. With the touch of a button, audio recording may be turned on and off. The microphone is positioned on the primary camera unit and should take up any noise from your rear seats. Because the N4 lacks Wi-Fi, unlike many other high-end dash cameras, you won't be able to view or download footage from the N4 using your smartphone. To make dashcam configuration adjustments, you'll need to utilize the 2.45-inch LCD screen, which should only be done once when you set it up. You may download videos to your computer using the provided USB computer cable or a micro SD card reader. While many dashcams include parking mode, the advantage of an inside camera is that you can record the face of a car thief. When the parking mode function is enabled, the N4 can begin recording automatically when motion is detected. In parking mode, it incorporates impact detection, which will start recording if someone runs into your car in a parking lot. If you wish to use parking mode on the N4, you should acquire the optional hardware kit. Moving on, dubbed as the overall Uber dashcam, we present to you the ZENFOX T3 3CH. The ZENFOX T3 3CH is truly one of the finest Uber dashcam on the market right now, because it not only allows you to take film of your vehicle's front and back ends, but also the inner cabin, so you've truly covered all the bases. You get a front camera with a 160-degree lens that records at 1440p, as well as an inside and back camera that both record at 1080p and capture 140 degrees of footage. Even in low light, each of these cameras produces excellent night image quality, and you can acquire passable shots in full darkness. Your driving path, position, speed, and time are all recorded by the built-in GPS. A smartphone app is available for managing your settings, seeing live video, checking your path, and downloading recordings through 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. When the engine is turned off, the dashcam will automatically switch to parking mode. Loop recordings, locked film on impact or vibration, and compatibility for up to 56 GB micro SD card are also provided, though the micro SD card is not included during your purchase. But in a nutshell, the ZENFOX T3 3CH is the Cadillac of Uber dash cameras. And lastly, since a lot of people are looking for a good 3-channel dash camera for full coverage recording in the market, this is the good news: the Vayofo A139 3-channel dash cam. The Vayofo A139 3CH is the company's first triple-channel dash cam with 3 cameras recording the front, interior, and back, as well as basic functions such as parking mode. The dashcam is designed for rideshare, Lyft, and Uber drivers, but it can also be used by anybody who wants to keep an eye on the backseat passengers. Vayofo has been a favorite dashcam brand for years now among North American drivers who appreciate their cameras' video quality, reliability, and affordability. Indeed, a game changer for rideshare and Uber drivers, the Vayofo A139 3CH is the company's first 3-channel dash camera. It includes several much-anticipated capabilities such as the ability to record the road ahead in 2K quality HD at 60 frames per second and the back and in-cabin in full HD as well as the ability to adjust the front camera lens up to 300 degrees for an ideal viewing angle in a variety of mounting locations and cars. It also has a built-in dual-band Wi-Fi, GPS built-in mount, super and infrared night vision, as well as 5-megapixel Sony Starvis image sensor. It is also really accessible through the Viofo app viewer, so checking your recorded videos is as easy as 1, 2, 3. And that ends the list for the best dash cameras for rideshare, Uber, and Lyft drivers. Have you picked your favorite? Let us know below in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for the latest news and tech updates in the market. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!